If you keep getting the low memory error message when playing Roblox on your phone, don't worry. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. First, open Settings app, scroll down and tap General. Then click on the option iPhone Storage. At the top, you will see how much storage you have left. For Roblox to run properly, make sure you have at least 2 GB free. If you don't, free up space by deleting some apps or photos you don't need. Next, offload and reinstall Roblox. From the list of apps, find Roblox, launch it, click on click on Offload app, then click on Reinstall. Next, update your iPhone software. For that, hit back, navigate to the option Software Update. If there is an update available, install it. Keeping your phone up to date can help fix memory and app issues. Finally, make sure you close all the other apps running in the background when playing Roblox. Swipe up and close any open apps so only Roblox stays open. This frees up RAM and helps Roblox run smoothly without the error. And that's it. Following these steps, you can easily fix the issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.